Welcome to Marketing Copy AI's SEO Assistant tutorial. In this video, we'll be discussing our latest feature, SEO Assistant, and how you can use it to optimize your blogs and articles for SEO. So let's start. The first thing I'll do is come up here and give a title for my blog. So I've called it TikTok Marketing. At the bottom, you'll see this SEO Assistant button. So if you just click this, you'll see this SEO Assistant view here. So here we have the query that we want to rank for, and then we have the location where we want the article or blog to rank. So let's just say we want to create a blog post titled TikTok Marketing, and we want to rank it in the USA. So I'm going to go and enter TikTok Marketing, which is going to be our main query that we want to rank for, and location is going to be USA. So I come here and click Generate SEO Report, and it will take a few moments to create the SEO report for us. This is the SEO report that has been generated. So here you can see the main query that we want to rank for, the location where we want to rank, and below that you can see the guidelines and top SERP results. So let's go to the guidelines first. So the main component of the guidelines is the content score. The content score tells you how optimized your blog or article is for SEO. The higher the score, the better optimized it is, and your goal should be to get the score as close to 100 as possible. This score is calculated using these four different elements. So we have the total words, we have the total headings, the total paragraphs, and total images. So these are the optimal ranges for each of these categories. So the goal should be to have the word count between 1615 to 3211, have the headings between 12 and 25, have the paragraphs between 57 and 122, have the images between 6 and 15. And these have been calculated using the top SERP results that our software extracts. When the word count increases, obviously you'll see when the word count is within this limit, you'll see that this turns into a check mark, which means that the content, this element is now in the optimal range, and you can then continue optimizing these others, and then you'll see the score increasing. The content score is also impacted by how accurately you've used these keywords, and so these are the keywords that are extracted by our NLP algorithm, and we use third-party libraries to get the keywords data. For each of these keywords, we have the optimal range. Then this is the range that this keyword should be used for, and once you hover over a keyword, you can also check out its volume and difficulty. So the higher volume and lower difficulty means it's going to be easier to rank for that particular keyword. So here you'll see a checkbox as well. So if you click this checkbox, this will turn into a tiny tick. What this means is that once you select the keywords, our AI will then use these keywords whenever it generates content for any of the features, whether it's Write For Me, Instruct AI, or any others. So when I select these keywords and we go back to AI Writer, you'll see that these keywords have been selected here, and that's how the AI will know that these are the keywords that it should use when creating new content. Once you use a keyword, you'll see that the score for that, the color for that will go to green if it has been used optimal number of times. For example, if we type So you can see that this keyword turned green, which means that it has been used the right number of times, and the goal is to use as many keywords as possible for their given ranges, so that the content is more optimized for SEO. Whenever you update the content, you'll see the content score increasing as well, and this is obviously impacted by the total words, total paragraphs, total images, total headings, and how frequently are the keywords used. After that, we have the top SERP results. So on the guidelines, you saw a number of different things like paragraphs, headings, images, and here you can see the average count for each of those. For the top 5 results. So the average word count is 16, average number of headings is 12, average links is 65, average images is 7. Below that, you'll see these SERP results. So you'll see the URL, you'll see the title, you'll see the intro, and then you'll see the outline for that particular SERP result. So here, when you click the outline, you can see what the content of that is, and if you want to copy and paste it, you can copy and paste it here and then rewrite it using our rewriter tool. You can also see what kind of heading it is, whether it was an H2, an H3, or H4, and that will give you an idea of like what the competitors are doing, so that you can optimize your content accordingly and get it ranked on the first page of Google's search results. So our algorithm processes the top 5 SERP results. The results you can see here. Again, you can see the content of these different sections. You can see the headings. You can see the overall structure of that particular page. And if you click the URL, it will take you there, and then you can inspect the content of that page as well. So that's it. I hope this short tutorial gives you an overview of our SEO assistant and how it can be used to create SEO optimized content. In the next tutorial, we'll actually create a blog post and take the content score from 0 to 70 or 80 plus, and then show our users how they can create SEO optimized content, combining both the SEO assistant and the AI writing functionality. Thank you a lot for watching this, and we'll catch you in the next video.